Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. This is going to be an update video to a previous video that I had filmed titled My Reviver Digital License Plate Auto Registration Renewal Process. In that video I showed you how to renew your registration through the Reviver app and transmit that information to the plate. In that video I had mentioned that about 7 days after you renew your registration through the Reviver app, you will receive a new registration form from the DMV. Here it is. It actually comes from Reviver Registration Services in Granite Bay, California. It's an official DMV document. They send you a new month and year. You need to place that month and year on your original plate and place this plate inside the vehicle, just in case something happens with this one. In that video, I had mentioned that you can change the font on this plate. I was sort of right. You can only change the font on the banners at the bottom. The reason why my California Henderson plate has block letters compared to the white plates, that's because the white plates have the squiggly California, which when you order your plate, your Reviver plate from Reviver, that's why you have to tell them exactly what type of plate you have and what symbols you have on your plate. And when they send that information, it goes to the plate and the plate will be that way. So I have the 1960s legacy plate. That is why I have block letters on both this plate and the Reviver plate. So that's it. So when you order your plate, make sure that that address is the same address that you use when you renew your registration through the Reviver app, because this registration will be mailed to that address. And you want to make sure you get this. Although you can print up a copy of the registration form that Reviver sends to the Reviver app. Once you tap on that registration, it blows it up on the phone. Then you can screenshot it and print it. Once you renew your registration through the Reviver app, just keep an eye in the mail and you should receive the actual official papers from Reviver with the new stickers for the year and the month. You can also renew your registration through the DMV, the kiosks. If you have a MyDMV app or a mydmv.com account, you can do it that way. And once you receive your registration papers in the mail, you will take photos of the registration, and I believe you have to put these stickers on the plate and take a picture of the plate. Once your Reviver verifies that, they will send you the okay to upload the new information to the plate. And once again, to upload anything you do to the plate, if you change the banner, after you get the approval on the app saying that it's ready to be updated, just press this home Bluetooth LTE button 2 times and it'll update in 1 minute, 25 seconds. I just washed my truck. It was 81 degrees out, so I had to do it really, really fast. So we'll see how I feel at the end of the day. Well, that's it for this video. If you like this video, press the like button, the subscribe button, that really helps out my channel, and the bell icon, and you'll get notifications as new videos come out. If you want to make a small donation to my channel, tap the super thanks button underneath this video. Anything I get goes right back into my channel. Have a great day and enjoy your Reviver plate. Thanks for watching. Bye.